Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create videos in Canva. So that you can create a lot of introductory videos. Let's say you wanted to introduce about your channel, you want to talk about what your channel does, what kind of videos you create, things like that. You can create introductory videos. You can create outros. Outros are basically when you are ending the video, then you wanted to ask people to like, subscribe and share. You can do that. You wanted to create Instagram reels, things like that. You can use Canva to create all these different types of videos. Now, in order for you to create the video, you'll go over to the home screen of Canva and then go over to the video section here, click on that videos, and these are different videos that you can create. You can create it from blank videos. You can create videos for your mobile, Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video. You can create all these different kinds of videos through Canva. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just give you a quick overview of this whole section here, and then from the next video we are going to actually create an introductory video about our channel called as Wealth and Health Mastery. Okay, so you can see here this is a blank template, and I can choose any of these templates on the left hand side to create a video. So let's say I liked something like let me scroll down a bit, and I'm going to look for intro videos, and then I'll say dark. So I have these options available. Now I can choose whichever I want from this list here, and you can drop that option onto the page. You didn't like it, I'm going to look for blue. Let's say if something comes up. This is good, welcome to my channel. So we have this one. The first video is welcome to my channel. Now over here you can customize whatever you want over here. So let's say welcome to, I want to replace it with your channel name. You can say welcome to Wealth and Health Mastery, and this is your channel introduction, welcome to Health and Wealth Mastery. If you want to reduce the size, you can change the font size over here. That's what we have been doing it. If you wanted to reduce it further, again you can select it and you can change it to, let's say, 80. If you wanted to change the font style, you can change it from here. You want to change the font color, you can do that. Now over here you have this. If you want to get rid of it, you can just click on the delete button and it will get rid of it. Similarly, if you want to add any effects, let's say you wanted to add any effects when the text comes in, then you, right now it is animated already. If you play this, this is how the text appears. Welcome to Wealth and Health Mastery, and it's an effect called block effect. Now if you want to change any of these effects, you select this and you can, these are the different effects that you have. You have a rise effect when it'll rise to the screen. You have a pan effect. This is how the pan effect looks like. You have a fade effect, so you can choose whichever you want. Now do you want to animate both, means on the entry of the text as well as on the exit? Then you're going to choose both option. If you wanted to do only on the enter part, you want to animate it, and you don't want to do, and you don't want that particular text to leave the screen, then you will just select on enter, and then what will happen is as long as it is in that frame, that particular text will remain. If you wanted to add any animation on the exit, then you're going to choose on exit. So these are the three ways you can animate. Now writing style, if you wanted to do character by character, this is how the character by character will look like. You can see here Wealth and Health Mastery kind of appeared character by character. If you wanted to do it word by word, this is how word by word will appear. If you want to do line by line, this is the line effect. Element effect is like this. So let's say we change it to character effect, and you can see here it is printing one character at a time. So I like this effect here. You wanted to, these are some more effects that you have here. The pop effect, wipe effect here, blur effect if you want that. So these are different effects that you can choose from. When do you want to add the animation? If you want to adjust the speed, this is the speed icon here that you can adjust the speed through. You want to make it a little bit slow, then you can do this. If you want to make it too fast, then this is how it's going to look like. Okay, these are pro options are only available in the pro account, so speed and the writing style. If you want to do page animations, these are the different page animations you have. Simple, then you have sleek, fun, so you can play around with different types of animations. This page animations will apply on the whole page. text animations will only apply on the text. Okay, so on this text you can choose whatever you want. This is an effect you want to choose for welcome to, you want to choose a different effect for wealth and health mastery, you can do that. Which direction you want to do it, you want to do it in the right, left, upwards, downwards, you can choose the direction here. Color, if you want to change the color, you can change the color to, let's say, this. So what will happen is it will look something like this in the beginning. Okay, so that is your color change. So you can do a lot of things through here. Now the other important thing is if you want to preview it, this is the button to preview. So let's say 7.5 seconds, you want to preview it, this is how it looks like. Welcome to Wealth and Health Mastery. And then it doesn't have this, there's an empty box here. You can fix that empty box by get rid of it. Okay, and if you want to expand it to the whole video, you can do that. Now going back, I just clicked on this. Now you can get rid of this, and I'm going to get rid of it. Now from different templates, you wanted to choose other styles of templates. You can look for, let's say, outros, and you can choose outros from here also. Let's say you like something like this. You can choose this, replace current page or add as a new page. I'm going to do add as a new page. So these are some of the outros you can do. This doesn't look nice, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it and go back again, and we'll add outros dark because it will match to the style. So let's say this is there, like, share and subscribe. So we can start with something like this. You can choose thanks for watching, things like this, add as a new page. These are different options that are available. So you can choose different templates from here. Let's say I like this one, and I'm going to get rid of this, delete. Onto this page, I want to add the first button. Onto the next frame, I want to add this here. And then onto the third, I want to add and then this is my subscribe. And then to the fourth, I'm going to add our, and then here, I'm going to add channel. Now, if you wanted to customize this whole thing, you want to make it the same color, you can choose the color from here. Okay, you can choose the color here. This is the black color, and you can put it over to this page also. Okay, you wanted to change it to black, you can do that, but then what will happen is the text is no longer available. So I want to change the text color to white. Similarly, I'll do for this also, change the text color to white here. And similarly, I'll do for all of these. So it'll appear, and then I'll change the background also. Right here, I'm going to change it to subscribe our channel. So this is our video, and then if you wanted to add a different background, you can go ahead and add that background here. So this is like, and then share. I'm going to change it to black again. Similarly for this also, I'm going to change it to black. So all these templates looks the same. Okay, and this one again, and our channel. So now the whole video looks consistent. Okay, you have to make sure, and then if you want to drag this, you can bring this icon on the front and it'll start the video from the beginning, or you can use this particular play button here, which will give you a preview of the video. And also it tells you that the first frame is of 7.5 seconds, the second frame is 5 seconds long, and if you wanted to trim it down, if you want to reduce from 5 seconds to 3 seconds, you can bring the corners together, and that way you will be able to reduce the timeline of that frame. So we dropped it from 5 seconds to 3.5 seconds. Okay, now if you want to add any music, then you go over to the elements here and then look for music, and over here if you scroll and filter it by audio, you'll see all these different audios that are available. Now if you want to drop, you want to listen to a particular audio, you can click on this and you will listen to that. The audio would be playing in the background, and if you want to drop it, you can drop the audio over here also. And this is one more time, let me try it, and I'm going to drop it here. And if you wanted to start from the beginning, you bring it onto the beginning here, and if you select this audio, you can do audio effects, you can adjust your audio, you can sync the audio with the text that is appearing on the screen, and then you can reduce the volume of the audio through this volume button here. So first thing is there are two effects here, fade in and fade out. So fade in usually is applied in the intro part of the video, when in the intro part of the audio, when the video audio is just launching, and fade out is towards the end of the video if you wanted to reduce the volume at the end and it just want naturally to go out of the audio, then that is the fade out effect. So these are the two effects, fade in and fade out. If you wanted to add that, you can just say, okay, in the beginning you fade in for about 2.7 seconds and fade out is also, let's say, about 2.7 seconds. So these are the two effects you can add onto the audio. And then beat sync. Sync now basically is if you want to sync your audio and the video together, then you're going to enable this option, and this is another pro feature that is available. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is just enable that option. And if you wanted to reduce the volume of this audio, you click on this volume button and you can increase or decrease the volume accordingly. So this is the different options that are available. Now if you have to download something, you'll click on the share button here, and then there is an option to download. You will download it as an MP4. So this video would be downloaded as an MP4 file here. And which pages, you can select all the different pages of that. If let's say you wanted to not select a particular page, you can unselect it, but usually since this is the part of the whole video, we are going to select the whole page. So this is how you basically create any kind of videos in Canva. Now the other option that is available in Canva is to record it within Canva also. So if you go over to the upload section here, you see here there is a record yourself option that is available in Canva. So when you click on record yourself, what will happen is it will bring it to this particular screen. There is a record button over here which basically will start the recording. And do you want to select a particular camera, then you can select these are the, you want to record yourself, do you want to record camera and screen, or do you only want to record the screen? Screen means just your laptop screen. Camera and screen means it will record you as well as the screen together, and then camera is only going to record you. Now you choose the camera that you have. So let's say I'm choosing Logitech here. This is my camera. So what will happen is it's going to show your camera is already being used by another application. So that's why it doesn't show here. But once you click on the record, let me go back to the settings again. So here you can choose the camera. If you wanted to select a different microphone, you have all these options to select the microphone. And then here is the camera and screen. You wanted to record the whole entire screen or the Chrome tab, then you can choose this option. Let's say you wanted to and select this and then the share button. So it'll entire screen would be recorded. And then if you just wanted to record the screen part, it's just going to be over here and it is going to ask you what you want to record. Okay, same thing. So this is, you can do the recording within Canva also. Once it has been recorded, you can edit your videos in Canva too. So let's say a particular section, if I go back here, and you can see here, you can reduce the timeline by bringing in together. And let's say you wanted this particular, it starts like this. And welcome to Wealth and Health Mastery. And then it says like, share, and subscribe. So let's say the share is too long. So what you can do is you can bring it together and you can reduce it to 2.1 seconds. So it will be there. And then another important thing is you want to change any animations. You have right now a pan effect. If you want to change it to a different type of effect, you can do that. You can do fade here. You have different options that are available. Basic is this one. You have blur effect, baseline effect. Okay, if you want to add this effect here, you can choose those. You want to do it on both on enter or exit. I just want to do it on enter here. And then you have is the next option. And similarly, I'm going to reduce it. Another important thing is if you want to delete something of this video, you can right click on it and there's a thing called split. So when you split it, what will happen is it will split the video. And then if let's say you want to get rid of this particular section of the video, you just click on the delete button and select the video and hit the delete on your keyboard. It will delete that video. So this way you'll be able to edit videos in Canva also. So this is an introduction to how to create videos. From the next topic, from the next video, we'll actually create an introduction video for our channel. So I'll see you then. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Take care.